Here's how you can make $1,000 a month with an Airbnb in Mexico that you can also use as a vacation home. I spoke to a mortgage company, property manager, realtor, insurance company, and accountant who all specialize in helping Americans buy homes in Mexico. I'm not holding anything back, so take some notes. Step 1. Pick a city, one that's safe with a high amount of tourists, people moving there, and a diversified economy, like Cabo, Cancun. Step 2. Get pre-approved for a loan with a lender like Moxie. Their agents like Mary speak English and specialize in getting Americans loans on Mexican homes. You'll need to be a U.S. citizen, taxpayer, or Visa green card holder. Have 680 credit, 2 years of tax returns, bank statements, max DTI of 38%, down payment of 35%, minimum home price of $386K. Step 3, start looking for properties near the beach using .2 homes or realtor. Find an investor-friendly agent like Lolo, see how much it rents for on AirDNA, then subtract all your expenses like your mortgage, taxes, insurance, HOA, property management, utilities, and savings. If it makes you $1,000 a month, then step 4, make an offer. Step 5, give Mary's team the contract once it's accepted. They'll make sure there's no issues for you to legally own the home and get you a bank trust. Step 6, get insurance from someone like Kathy to protect yourself from earthquakes, hurricanes, and tenant issues. Step 7, close and get the home. You will need someone to represent you using power of attorney on closing day. Step 8, get a property manager like Lolo. He'll tell you what you need to get done, get you contractors, and help you furnish it so your property's ready and listed. Step 9, start making that money. Step 10, get an accountant like Susanna who speaks English to help you save money on taxes and pay them in Mexico. Hit the follow button for more tips for beginner real estate investors.